2021 was a mixed bag for cryptocurrencies, and in 2022 they're likely to continue dominating news headlines again. The major question is, which crypto could explode in 2022? Well, let's have a look at a few options that have the potential. I'm Rachel, and this is Kalkinemedia. By comparing two popular cryptocurrencies and their performance in 2021, we might get an idea of what's coming in 2022. Bitcoin and Axie Infinity are a good comparison. The former was the biggest, most popular crypto at the beginning of the year, and the latter wasn't even in the list of top 30 crypto assets by market cap. A Bitcoin and Axie Infinity comparison makes sense because these two are very distinct crypto projects. In the wake of the financial crisis of 2007 to 2008, Bitcoin started as a humble competitor to fiat currencies. From a few cents to a price tag of almost $29,000 on the 1st of January 2021, Bitcoin has had a great ride. Axie Infinity is a gaming project that uses the decentralized ledger attribute of blockchain to compete with conventional. AXS dwarfs the 2021 returns of not just Bitcoin, but also of Ether and Dogecoin. This year we saw the rise of the Metaverse. Now, before we assume that Facebook was the first mover in the Metaverse, there have been crypto projects in that space for a very long time. Axie Infinity is a Metaverse. It allows gamers to enter a virtual reality world, undertake combats with their own fictional characters, for example. You can also own non-fungible tokens and trade them to make money. Axie Infinity has many competitors, of which Decentralized Land and Sandbox are the biggest in terms of market cap. Decentralized Land may explode in 2022. This blockchain gaming project might remain one of the most popular cryptos thanks to Metaverse underpinnings. Decentralized Land is a fairly new crypto project that was launched in February 2020. Users can own so-called parcels of land as NFTs using Ethereum services. NFTs can be listed on multiple exchange platforms like OpenSea to monetize the holding. Sandbox is a close competitor to Decentralized Land. In the last few months, Sandbox has achieved SoftBank as an investor and Adidas as a user of the project's metaverse. So in conclusion, cryptos are profitable only when the investor parks money and books profit at an opportune time. There can be no exact prediction on which crypto will explode in 2022. But looking at 2021 trends, Metaverse cryptos are likely a contender. Decentralized Land might repeat Axie Infinity's history and find more backers for its fictional world where assets can be owned and monetized. If you like this video, you can like, share and comment on it, and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also press the bell icon to get notifications for our latest videos. I'm Rachel, signing off for Kalkinemedia.